Welcome to another video. So today we have exponential equation of 5 raised to x minus 2 is equals to 60. So I'm going to take you through step up to the final solution. If you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe, like, share, and you can comment. So we are asked to find the actual value of x. When you substitute here, then the output should be 60. Let's do the testing. Can x be equals to, x can be a positive number. So maybe x is equals to 2. Then it means this is 5 raised to 0, which is equals to 1. X cannot be equals to 2. What if x is equals to 3? Then 3 minus 1, that is 5 raised to 1, that is 5. X cannot be equals to 3. What if x is equals to 4? Then of course that becomes 5 to the 2 is equals to 25. And when x is equals to 5, then this becomes 5 minus 2 is x to the power 3, which of course jumps to 125. Then it tells us without ado that our x is in the range of 4 and 5. So in between 4 and 5, we're going to get the value of x which satisfies this equation. So my first step, since we have I'm going to recall the law of exponent, a raised to m minus n. This can be written as a to the power m over a to the power n. We are dividing. So rewriting this, I'm going to have 5 to the x divided by 5 to the 2 should give us 60. And cross multiplying, this implies that 5 raised to x is equals to 5 to the 2 multiplied by 60. Then of course at that stage, for me to eliminate x, I'm going to introduce the logs on both sides of this equation as the log of 5 to the x is equals to the log of 5 to the 2 multiplied by 60. And when the logs are being multiplied, then this implies that x to the log 5, this have come this side, should be equals to the log of 5 squared plus the log of 60. So at this stage, I'm going to divide all through by the log of 5 so that x, so dividing by the log 5 all through by log 5, this and this cancels, and then x becomes the log of 5 squared divided by log 5, of course, plus the log 60 divided by the log 5. Simplifying further, these two can come this side as x is equals to 2 to the log 5 divided by the log 5. So guys, at this stage, if you haven't subscribed, please remember to like this video, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. So plus log 60 over log 5, then this and this cancels. I'm going to end up with x now should be equals to 2 plus the log 60 divided by the log 5. So for me to simplify this further, I'm gonna find the factors of 60, and I can rewrite. So 60 can be written as the product of 12 multiplied by 5, so that x now becomes 2 plus the log of 12. Remember, I'm multiplying, so I'm gonna add, divide by the log of 5, all through by the log 5, divide by the log of 5. Then it is very evident that this and this cancels and I remain with 1. And this one I can add it to this to get x is equals to 2 plus this one, of course, plus the log 12 divided by the log 5. Then, of course, this will be 3 plus the log 12 divided by the log of 5. You want to recall that wherever you have the log of A divided by the log of B, then this is the same as writing log A to the base B. Applying that in this, then my final value of x, which was required, should be equals to 3, of course, plus the log 12 to the base 5 as the final value of x. And this, from the scientific calculator, is equals to, let me compute, it is log base 3 base 5, and that is 12. Of course, we want to add 3. We get that this answer is approximately equals to 4.543 or 4. From my calculator, this is what I get. And remember, we predicted that x should be in the range between 4 and 5. And indeed, we have confirmed it's true that x is 4.544. I've just written it up to 4 significant figures. So at that stage, you can go ahead and verify if indeed this is the actual value of x for our equation. Remember, it was 5 raised to x minus 2 should give us 60. And of course, we have x. So putting or substituting x, I'm going to have x into 3 plus the log of 12 base 5 minus 2 should be equals to 60. This 3 and this end up with 5 to the power 1. 5 to the power 1. Of course, plus the log 12 base 5 should give us 60. Since the powers are added, then this can be separated as 5 to the power 1 multiplied by 5 to the log of 12 base 5. 5 to the power 1 is 5, multiplied by 5 to the log 12 base 5. And you're going to recall again that whenever you have a raised to the log of b base a, and the base and the base are equal, then we're going to end up with b, so that this is 5, this is 5, it's going to cancel and going to remain with 12. So it is 5 multiplied by 12. I should get 60. And of course, when you take 5, and then you multiply by 12, it's true that I'm gonna get 60 should be equals to 60 on the other side. Hence, we have proved our equation. So good people, we've come to the end of this tutorial. Hope you've learned. Kindly don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and comment where you're watching from. And you can watch our several playlists. Until we meet again in the next video, goodbye for now.